welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Traffic 15 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Yuu Asaka. Difficulty level of the Traffic 15 puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts into the frame. But as you can see, there is one piece that I can't put inside the frame right now, since all the parts are inside, but there is no space for the last piece. The Traffic 15 puzzle comes in a original box. There is a photo of the puzzle on the back side, a small description, and it says the difficulty level is 4 out of 5 on Yuu Asaka's difficulty scale, and the target time is 1 hour 30 minutes. It is really a difficult puzzle. It is as good and as difficult as some of the best Yuu Asaka puzzles, and I'll explain why. This puzzle has 9 white parts, and you can easily fit them inside the frame. Then there are 6 more parts, 2 yellow, 2 blue, and 2 red. And when you put them inside the frame, you will find that if you arrange everything correct, you will be able to put 5 parts. But there is not enough space for the last piece. Like, you can try to rearrange the rest of the parts, and the closest to the solution will be like this, but you can't fit this part here. It fits either to the left side, but then it sticks out, or to the right side, but then the left part sticks out. So that is not the solution, and you have to find a way how everything will fit inside the frame, which will be very difficult, and you will spend a lot of time before you will find this nice aha moment, and then you will spend a little bit more time to find the solution. If you like the Traffic 15 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve it. If you haven't tried to solve this puzzle yet, I highly recommend you to skip this part, buy a puzzle, and try to find the solution by yourself, since it is truly amazing puzzle. So now what we do? We start with something as simple as putting this part in the corner, since there is a rounded corner here, and this piece fits nicely in this corner. Then we grab this part, also with rounded corner, put it here. Everything looks absolutely normal. Next, we will grab this piece, it goes here, looks nice. Then another piece, which one it will be? It will be this one, looks great as well. Now we put something on top, and we will grab this part and put it right here, and then something in the corner, which will be this piece. Everything looks absolutely normal now. But here is a twist. There are 2 parts like this, and that is the aha moment that you have to find. When you play with the puzzle, you notice that you can actually connect these 2 parts together, and they fit so nice that you can't skip this part. And then when you find another piece, you will find that you can connect actually 3 parts like that, and that is truly something incredible. And wait a second, I have to do it like this. And then if you put everything inside the frame, like this part goes here, this part goes here, and this part goes here, and wow, there is even some space left. How is it even possible? And now you put the rest of the parts. This goes here, this goes here, the blue one goes here, red goes here, and we still have 2 arrows left, but this blue piece goes right in here, and this yellow part goes right here. Isn't this amazing? Such a great idea for a puzzle, and everything fits, and there are still some empty spots left inside the frame. That is something really incredible. Yuu Asaka knows how to impress with his puzzles. They are always great. If you like the Traffic 15 puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Yuu Asaka, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.